everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tori if you're new here, and today I am going to be sharing some easy, cheap $5 meals. These all can be found at your local grocery store. As always, these recipes will be typed out in the description box below, and I did want to take this time to announce our giveaway winner. Our giveaway winner is Kathy. I will leave her full name right here. Congratulations, Kathy. What I did for the raffle was just put all of your names into a random generator. I spun the wheel and Kathy won. So if you are watching this, Kathy, thank you for always being a great support, and email me to claim your prize. And if you are excited to get to cooking, let's get right into the video. So this first recipe is a little different. You are going to prep one main ingredient and then turn it into 2 dinners. So what I have over here is a block of cream cheese and some ricotta. My ricotta was on sale for $1.79 this week, and I got 30 cents back from my Ibotta app, so I was excited about that. Then you are going to need some ground beef and some peppers. My peppers were 88 cents, and then my ground beef, I used the Gardein, was on sale for $3.66. You could certainly use regular ground beef if you would like. You are gonna mix all of this together, and after that, you are going to put it in a empanada form. So you are gonna take these buttermilk biscuits, half of those, and you're gonna roll them out. I will show you how to do that. You're gonna save the other half for another recipe in the upcoming week. And then you are gonna drizzle some taco sauce on those, fold them over and pinch them. And we're gonna serve that with some Spanish rice. And then you are going to take the other half of your mixture and make them into lasagna roll-ups. I have some tomato sauce here that I made. So it's just a can of tomato sauce, a little bit of sugar, Italian seasoning, and then you are gonna take that and pour it on top of your roll-ups. So let me show you how I mix everything together and make 2 meals out of one.
Running from all things at once without thinking twice. And I knew it would catch up and that we would be the ones left behind. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. And this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. Time is gone and I grew up. I somehow made it through without losing sight. And I still wonder where you are, and if you found a way out from the dark. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. And this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. Bruises, they come and they go, and we have to try and keep up, 'cause this life's so much more. And I still wonder
This next one is going to be Cowboy Caviar quesadillas. I know it's a mouthful, but here is what you're gonna need. So I have rinsed black beans, green pepper, corn, onion, and tomato. I'm gonna mix that all together with some chili powder and some cumin, as well as 2 teaspoons of lime juice. And then I'm going to sandwich the cheese in between 2 of these tortillas.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on a fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just want to go my own way, gonna let the past burn down, cause honestly don't want to be stuck in boring conversations with you. I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
Alrighty, my friends, that is going to do it for today's video. I really hope you got some inspiration for your week ahead. As always, stay adventurous, stay creative. We'll see you next time. Bye.